Welcome to IS485 and 585. I'm Professor Fahmi Jalani. Today we'll be continuing chapter 12 of CRM or Customer Relationship Management. So let's continue on the analysis process. So it covers lead management, where pretty much focus on prioritizing and organizing of customer. In this case, which are the more profitable customer. Next, we have profiling customer, where based on the data that CRM analyze, you could profile customer buying habits, for example. And also we have feedback management, where they consolidate, analyze, and share all the information received from the customer, whether it be positive or negative. In terms of technology, this is basically to reduce costs and enhance service, and can technically be considered integral component of the rise of the internet. And it gives the organization a holistic view of the customer. So components of CRM, first we have market research, divided into two key functional. First is campaign management, where they are there to prepare marketing budget, sales, targeting, and next we have marketing analysis, where there are tools to analyze customers. And not forgetting, we have SFA or Salesforce automation, where data that being collected are being funneled into leads for the Salesforce to execute. So we have customer service support. These are basically emails, okay, and also data mining, analytics, where companies could analyze the customer behavior. So let's take a look at the diagram next. This is basically components of the CRM, where the customer data, sales, management, analysis, marketing, customer service. We identify, attract, engage, and retain. That's a basically objective. So for packages and vendors, so while larger CRM provide more features, okay, here we have, for example, large market, target market, large enterprise meets firms and small companies. These are basically the companies from vendors, Cyber, Ventive, Clarify, Oracle, to Orlox, Goldmine. Okay. Also, we do have on-demand CRM. This is basically scalable, where organization pay on a monthly or per user. In terms of architecture, basically consists of application server, which is the front end, okay, which basically runs on the web server back end, okay, keeps all the database, and web server, which is basically extranet, which you can see on this diagram. where you have the marketing, customer service, sales management, customer access is basically on the application server, this front end, and this is basically back end, database and web server, and we have firewall and internet connection. Following that, we have on demand. This is basically due to the high speed availability of the internet. Okay? Companies are moving into on demand CRM. Also, we have thin client. Basically, is we mentioned earlier, monthly or per user fee. Other companies do include Oracle, Microsoft, CBEL right now. Okay, so due to high cost, companies are slowly shifting into on demand. This to prevent costs like installation, maintenance, also security. Next, we have life cycle. This is basically, I think we did cover on it. Is to basically to focus, okay, on the procedure, and next is basically the goals, requirement of the architecture, and how complex the information, where it is shown on the diagram. Okay. So as a customer communicates to the technology, okay, we have people, procedure, philosophy, and goals, basically the elements, and the leadership. And lastly, we have application for management. So CRM is basically strategy of a business in order to enhance more profit for the customer, for the organization. And it's not a single system where you need constant analysis of the customer, feedback, upgrading, and also there's variety shape and sizes, in this case solution. And having said that, there's also ethical and privacy issues that we need to consider as the customer data is being used. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the class today. If any question, please feel free to email me or drop by my office. Thanks. Stay safe. Bye.